we have understood what are organs and what an organ system is. Okay? Now, all these organs are present outside of our body or inside of our body? Yes, they are present inside of our body. As they are inside of our body, they are called as internal organs. What are they called as? Internal organs. Brain, heart, lungs, liver, all these things are called as internal organs because they are present inside of our body. Okay? Now, then just touch and feel. Do you find something hard? No, see your hand. Touch like this. Do you find something hard? See, something hard is there. What is this? Have you ever wondered what is this? What is the use of this hard substance in our body? That is called as bones. See, we have bones all our body, all over our body, right? Wherever you touch and you feel, you can find something hard substance, right? Even if you touch your head also you can feel some hard substance, even your nose. See, touch like this, something hard thing is there, all right. Understood? See, these are all bones. There are different types of bones in our body. What is the use of these bones? Now let us understand. All these bones together, they form the skeletal system of our body. Okay? All these bones together, they form the skeletal system of our body. Now, what is the use of this skeletal system now? Okay, now we understood what are bones. What is the use of these bones? Like what are all these bones together called as? No, but what is the use of these bones? Okay, let us imagine. Now, if you don't have bones, if you are having heart here, lungs here, if there are no bones, how will all they be formed together? How will all they be in correct place? Now, suppose if we don't have cupboards in our room, we have our personal room, right? We have cupboards in the shelves, so that we can put all our things like clothes, all our accessories, your toys, everything we can put inside those cupboards. Now, if you don't have cupboards, if you just put everything like that, how does it look? It will not look good, right? So it will be like a big heap of all clothes which are not arranged in a proper manner. So it will not look good. In the same manner, all these bones form skeletal system, and the skeletal systems help us to have all the organs in the position. Okay? Now you have this part. This part is head, right? This is called as head. Now you have some bone inside your head. There are a number of bones inside your head. This is actually called as skull. Okay? Inside the skull you have brain. If you don't have skull, where would your brain be? It may be here, or it may be in the hands, or it may be in the legs, or we may not have the brain. It may fall down because there is nothing to hold tight, right? Okay? Yeah. Now, this is the use of skeletal system. What does it help? It helps us to have the organs in particular position. When they are in their particular position, what happens? They form a particular shape. See, no? We are human beings. We have a particular shape. We have 2 hands, 2 legs. Okay? We have a nice face. Right? See, you all have very beautiful faces. This is because of your skeleton system. Because of your skeleton, we are able to have all the things in a proper manner. Okay? Now let us understand. Human skeleton is a framework of bones. So what is it? It is a framework of bones. From your top to the tip of your end part of your leg. From here to there, you have all bones. Okay? Because of this bones, it forms a framework. Because of that, your organs are situated in correct manner. This framework encloses and protects all the internal organs and gives support, strength and shape to the body. Just now we have understood, right? If you don't have this all skeletons, our body parts may not be in proper position. Right? So it protects. See, now it gives strength, shape and support. Apart from this, it also protects. See, now the brain is inside. What is it? When it is inside, what is happening? Your skull, your bones of your head are protecting your brain. Understood? Now, an adult human has 206 bones. So, how many bones do we have? An adult has 206 bones. Okay, now let us understand what are the different parts of this human skeletal system. Okay, we have skull, backbone, ribcage, limbs. Okay, what is skull? This portion is called as skull. Skull is the area where your head is there. This is your head, right? Where your brain is present. Okay, now what is the use of this skull? Let us understand what is the use of the skull. Now, the backbone or the spine. See, now you have a backbone, just touch over here. You can find something strong, right? So, something that is hard. So, from here to here, you have a big bone called as backbone. Now, let us understand what are the uses of this backbone. Okay, now next, the rib cage. Rib cage is, we have over here, rib cage. See, here we can have ribs. If you touch like this, you can feel something hard over here also. There is something that is called as rib cage. Now let us understand what is this rib cage is. Now, the limbs. What do you mean by limbs? Limbs are nothing but, see, these are two pair of limbs. Hands and legs are called as limbs. These are two pair of limbs and legs are two pairs of limbs. Okay? Now let us understand what do you mean by limbs. Yeah. Now I hope everyone understood all the parts of this human skeletal system. That is the skull, the backbone, the rib cage and the limbs. Okay. Now let us study what is the use of this, all these things having in our body. What does it protect? Okay. Now, tell me, where is the skull present? Yes, it is present here. Now, what is present here? What is present in your head? You have brain, you have eyes. Right? See, in your head only you have brain inside you and you have eyes over here. Now, this skull helps in protecting the brain. Okay? It protects brain as well as even your eyes. Right? See, all along your eyes. If you touch like this, you can find hard. Now, eyes are present here. So, skull protects brain and eyes. Now, the backbone or spine. Okay, now what is the help of this backbone or spine? Right, your brain is connected to this backbone. All your body functions, all the nervous system, every activity is done with the help of this spine or backbone. So what does it protect? Nerves or nervous system. Now, the rib cage. Where is the rib cage situated? Yes, rib cage is situated here. Now, what do we have in this upper part of the body? Yes, we have a pair of lungs and heart. Now, what is the use of this rib cage? It protects the pair of lungs and heart. Okay? So, this rib cage protects pair of lungs and heart. Now, what are these limbs? What is the use of limbs? Yeah, for doing anything we use our hands, for walking, running, moving here and there we use legs. Now, what is the use of these limbs? It helps in movement. Okay? See, now, skull protects brain and eyes. Backbone or spine protects nervous system, helps in all the nerves to function. The rib cage protects lungs and heart. Pair of lungs and heart. Now, the limbs. With the help of these limbs, we can take something, we can throw something, we can pull something, we can push something. We can move forward, we can move backward, so we can walk with a pair of these limbs. Okay? Did you all understand now? What are the parts of human skeletal system and what do they protect? What is the function? Okay? Yes.